Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a smooth, rich and creamy no-bake Biscoff cheesecake. No oven needed, just a few simple ingredients and a little chilling time. Let's get started. For the base, I have got 250 grams of Biscoff biscuits and 100 grams of melted butter. Crush the biscuits into fine crumbs using a food processor or just use a Ziploc bag and rolling pin. Once you have got fine crumbs, pour in the melted butter and mix until the texture looks like wet sand. Then transfer this into a 6-inch spring foam pan. Press it down firmly and evenly to create a solid base. Use the spatula or the back of a spoon to smooth it out nicely. Now pop this into the fridge for 30 minutes while we work on the filling. Into a large mixing bowl, add 500 grams of softened cream cheese, 100 grams of powdered sugar, 200 grams of Biscoff spread, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Beat this with an electric hand mixer until it's smooth, creamy and lump-free. Once everything is combined, pour this filling over the chilled biscuit base. Smooth out the top with a spatula, making sure it's level. This goes into the fridge for at least 6 hours or ideally overnight to set beautifully. For the topping, melt 150 grams of Biscoff spread in the microwave for about 10 to 15 seconds, just until it's pourable, not too hot. Pour it gently over the set cheesecake. Then use a spatula or a spoon. Spread it evenly across the surface. Finally, decorate with whole or crushed Biscoff biscuits around the edges to make it look extra special. Chill again for another 30 minutes to let the topping firm up nicely. And here it is, our gorgeous creamy no-bake Biscoff cheesecake. Store this cheesecake in the fridge and enjoy within 3 to 4 days. Let me know in the comment box what cheesecake flavor I should try next.